Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the world of AI agents. Don't worry if you're not a coding wizard. We're going to build one together. No programming required. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is everywhere these days, and AI agents are at the forefront of this revolution. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a developer to harness their power. Today, we're going to demystify AI agents and show you how to create one using n8n, a powerful no-code platform. So, what exactly is an AI agent? Think of it as a digital assistant that can reason, plan, and act on your behalf. Unlike a simple automation that follows fixed rules, an agent uses its brain to make decisions. Imagine you're planning a hike. A regular automation might just check the weather and send you an alert. An AI agent, on the other hand, could analyze the forecasts, suggest the best trails based on conditions, and even help you pack the right gear. Let's break down the difference between agents and automations. Picture two paths. On the left, we have a rigid workflow that always goes from A to B to C. That's your typical automation. On the right, we have an AI agent that can choose different tools and adapt its approach based on the situation. Automation follows fixed rules, while an agent uses dynamic reasoning to tackle complex tasks. Now, let's talk about the three core components that make up an AI agent. First, we have the brain. This is typically a large language model LLM that processes information and makes decisions. Next, there's memory, which allows the agent to remember past interactions and learn from them. Finally, we have tools. These are the various APIs and services the agent can use to get things done. Think Gmail for sending emails, Google Sheets for data analysis, or even specialized APIs like NASA's for space data. When it comes to building your first AI agent, it's best to start with a single agent system. This keeps things simple and manageable. As you get more comfortable, you can explore multi-agent setups where different agents work together, like a manager overseeing research, sales, and support teams. Remember, the golden rule is to build the simplest thing that works for your needs. Safety is crucial when working with AI. So let's talk about guardrails. You don't want your agent making unauthorized refunds or taking actions without proper checks. Set up limits on what the agent can do. Implement human approval for critical decisions. And create an allow list of tools it can access. These precautions will help keep your agent on track and prevent any unwanted surprises. Before we jump into building, I've got some great resources to help you along the way. Check out the link in the description for free checklists and guides that allow make your AI agent journey even smoother. These PDFs cover everything from planning your agent to troubleshooting common issues. Let's do a quick recap of what we've learned so far. AI agents can think, remember, and act. They're made up of three key components: a brain, memory, and tools. And don't forget those all-important guardrails to keep everything safe and controlled. Now, let us talk about APIs and HTTP, the building blocks that let our agent interact with the digital world. Think of an API like a vending machine menu. It shows you what's available and how to ask for it. HTTP is like pressing the buttons on that machine to get what you want. There are two main types of requests we'll use: GET, which is like reading data from the machine, and POST, which is like sending or creating new data. When we make these requests, we use a format called JSON. It's a way of organizing information that both humans and computers can understand. You send a request in JSON, and you get a response back in the same format. It's like having a conversation with the API in a language you both speak. All right, now it's time to get our hands dirty with n8n. This powerful platform lets us create AI agents without writing a single line of code. I'll walk you through adding an AI agent node, which has slots for the brain, memory, and tools we talked about earlier. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet. n8n offers a 14-day trial, and I'm not affiliated with them. I just think it's a great tool for what we're doing. As we build our agent, we'll focus on creating a personal trail runner assistant. This agent will help plan your runs, track your progress, and even suggest new routes based on your fitness level and local weather conditions. We'll connect it to weather APIs, mapping services, and your personal fitness tracker to create a truly intelligent running companion. Remember, the key to success is starting simple and building up. Don't try to create a super complex agent right off the bat. Begin with basic functionality, like checking the weather and suggesting run times. Then, gradually add more features as you get comfortable with the platform. Throughout this process, we'll encounter some common challenges, but don't worry, I'll show you how to troubleshoot them, whether it's dealing with API rate limits or fine-tuning your agent's decision-making process. We'll tackle these issues together. As we wrap up, I want to encourage you to experiment with your AI agent. Try different tools, adjust its parameters, and see what it can do. The possibilities are endless, and you might be surprised at how powerful your no-code creation can be. Remember, building AI agents is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning journey. Keep refining your agent. And soon, you'll have a digital assistant that truly understands your needs and helps you achieve your goals. I hope this guide has inspired you to dive into the world of AI agents. Whether you're a trail runner looking to optimize your training or a business owner aiming to streamline operations, the skills you've learned today can be applied to countless scenarios. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more AI and no-code content. Drop a comment below with your ideas for AI agents. I'd love to hear what you're planning to build. Thanks for joining me on this AI adventure. Now, go out there and create something amazing. Until next time, happy building.